Take a ride in the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, security system, heated steering wheel, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.